like nobody is fine now. Who is them? Who are they? Where are they? Please, this is a queen right there talking to you. So guys, I just finished with a client, so if I don't look so good, it doesn't really matter. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing this touch up today with my Shining Gem. I'm still waiting for the other purple brand to get here. I ordered from Amazon, so it was out of stock, I guess, so I had to just go to Beauty Supply and get this one. And so far, this has also been excellent. It's just a little pricey. It's like $10.99, but it's worth it. And yeah, so for today's touch up, since I don't have the blue hair to do to wrap the roots, I'm gonna be going my outre hair. Outre spring twist, and this is how it looks. If you have not checked out the video of me doing the locks with this hair brand, please do, because it's good. I also use this for like twists, spring twist, whatever you call it. It's a very good brand. So I don't want to talk too much today, so let's just get into the video. But yeah, before I start, I just want to analyze, because I've had this hair for a month and 2 weeks thereabout, and I plan on keeping this in for no, not forever, because I mean, I love the hair. I love how it looks. It just gives me this, I don't know, kind of vibe, but you know what I mean. But yeah, if you see that I'm not talking to the camera, yeah, I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm gonna be using my screen as my mirror today. So yeah, I know you get that. So yeah, I think it was like maybe 2-3 weeks ago, I touched up like this front part, this 1, 2, 3, 4, this 5 here. So if you kind of see it's giving me this ombre kind of transition, which we're still gonna have like all around the hair, because since I don't have the blue, I'm gonna be using the black, or the 1B, or the one, I don't know, whatever color it is. But yeah, it's a darker color. But then you can see that I'm having new growth. Like, if you still have been following me or subscribing to me or watching my videos, you know how short my hair was the first time I tried locks, and now I saw this little thing. So guys, can you see? I did not touch up this lock. This is how it is from the first time I did it. So this is a whole bunch of new growth. Can you guys see this? Like I'm sure my hair's gonna be getting down to my booty when I take this out, you know me, like. So I'm kind of excited to do this, and I plan on keeping this for, okay guys, let me just move that in. So now that is out of the way, I plan on keeping this in for like another 2-3 months. But I don't know how that's gonna be, because now I have like I have other styles I want to try and other wigs I would like to review for you guys. But let's just see how it holds up. We're almost done with November, so let's see, maybe December I'm just gonna take it out and get something new. So yeah, this is how it comes. I usually get like the 8 inches of this. And where do I get this from? I get this from either Wixtype or ebonyline.com. So this is how it comes. It comes in a bunch of 3 like this, and you can also use this for passion twist. You see, you can use this for spring twist, like I said, and you can also use this for the locks. It's really good. It's very, broom broom broom. I don't know what broom broom means, but yeah, it's broom broom. So I'm just gonna be taking a little, and we're gonna just wrap it around the roots. Wrap it around the roots, like wrap it around the roots, like wrap it around the roots. Wrap it around the roots. Okay, I don't know why I'm happy today, but it's good to be happy all the time, because people died today, but here we are. Here you are watching my videos, and here am I giving you content. Anyways, I don't want to talk too much. So we're just gonna put this up in a ponytail. Pointy. Hopefully I can wrap this all around like this once. So guys, let's talk. So y'all all know I'm on the road to 6,000 subscribers, and I don't know how else to say thank you, because I remember when I started, okay, you know what? If I start talking, I'm not going to get this done. So I'm just going to start rapping while we talk, okay? Yeah. Kind of tight, you know, when you used to the loose braids, and now everything is just tight and all it feels tight. Oh my goodness, it doesn't even feel, on the first day when I got it done, it didn't even feel this tight, because, you know, I don't know, but this is how it looks, guys, all touched up, all pretty and stuff. Oh, sex. And I like I really love the ombre look it's given. It's like from the black to the blue. So baby, it move. How do I style it now? I don't even know. I really like it. It looks like I just got it done. You see? That's one of the things I love about locks. The older it gets, the prettier it becomes. See, take a look at this baby. So guys, before I go, I just wanted to show you guys how I take care of my scalp. I'm not an oil person. When I mean I'm not an oil person, I would say oil gives me allergies. Okay, that doesn't really sound right, so I'm just gonna rephrase it again. So whenever I put oil on my scalp, I tend to see a lot of dandruffs, and it kind of gives me a dry scalp. I don't know if that makes sense, but I read this somewhere that some people's scalp or hair type absorbs oil too much, and sometimes it might not be good. So when I tried apple cider, it just worked perfectly. So when I put oil now and give it like 2 days, I'm just gonna see like a whole lot of more dandruff. It's like it's drinking the oil and it's multiplying. But when I put apple cider, it's like everything just goes away. It doesn't itch, it doesn't scratch, whatever, and my hair still feels and looks good. So yeah, all I do is just put apple cider in water. So you can put I haven't tried it yet, but you can put orange, you know, squeeze orange juice in it, just to, you know, mellow down the smell. I don't know why English these days is kind of difficult for me, but pardon me, you know, please. I cannot even come and keep myself. So anyways, this is my mix of apple cider. I just put a lot of apple cider and just a little bit of water, just because I want the apple cider to be more. But as you can see, my hair looks new. Oh my god. I'm like, oh, this guy is so pretty. Oh my god. I'm so I'm so beautiful. Jesus. Ah, there's nobody. Nobody is fine now. Who is them? Who are they? Where are they? Please. This is a queen right there talking to you. You guys have to stop bullshitting me, because, you know, This is queen. Anyways, guys, so I just spray. Yeah, one thing about apple cider is it smells, but at least for like 2-3 hours it's gonna smell. But after that, you're good, baby. You are good, baby. So yeah, that's just all I do, and after that, we done. Ooh, feels good though. Feels good. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for staying with me. Thank you guys for 5,000, I mean almost 6,000 now subscribers. I am so grateful to everybody who has been supporting me from day one. I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video again, and I will see you in my next video. Before I go, please guys, what other type of video do you want to see? Let me know and I'll try to bring it on. This is just not a hair channel only. This is about me, my life, everything I do. So I just want to be sharing more than just hair with you guys. So if you have ideas what you want me to bring out to you, just let me know. And I'll see you in my next video. Wait, don't go, okay? Let me just show you the aftermath.